Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is part 2 of trying to get every single mochi from the mochi vending machine that I made. But before we start, make sure you like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Now let's begin. So these are the ones that we got from part 1. And so and this is the legendary ducky. So hopefully we can get it in this part. Okay. So, so we put the credit card in. And now we have, let's see which one we got. Okay, so first we got this panda. Next, let's get the credit card. Okay, next we got this reindeer. Oops. Open, but it's okay. What did we get now? Okay, so now we got the yellow bear. Hopefully we can get the yellow ducky. Okay. Okay. Yay, we got the legendary ducky. Okay, but even though we got the legendary one, we're still gonna keep trying to get every single one. But it's really good that we got the legendary one. And let's see which one we got. And we got this puppy. And that was the end of part 2. And we're also gonna have another part 3. So make sure to watch the part 3. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye guys.